Welcome back to the Handwriting OT. Today we are going to finish with our jump frog letters and learn the capital M. Our M uses 4 big lines and starts in the starting corner. So to use the wet, dry, try method, we're going to use our chalkboard, chalk, wet sponge, and paper towel. So starting up here in the starting corner, we'll make 1 big line down, jump frog, big line to the middle, big line up, and big line down. So 1, 2, 3, 4 big lines. Next, we'll take our wet sponge to trace it, starting up in the top starting corner. Big line down, jump frog, big line to the middle, big line up, and big line down. Next, we'll dry it with our paper towel. Starting in the starting corner, big line down, jump, big line to the middle, big line up, and big line down. Now to practice, one more time, we're going to use our chalk. Big line down, jump frog, big line to the middle, big line up, and big line down. And that makes the capital M. It's the last letter in our jump frog capitals. Subscribe to the Handwriting OT for more videos and tips.